There's a lot of talk these days about whether artificial intelligence will take our jobs. But what about my job? I write comedy sketches for puppets. To find out, I asked ChatGPT to write me a puppet regime episode where Vladimir Putin prank calls Volodymyr Zelensky. Let's see how the bot did. This is going to be good.
Hello, Ukrainian president speaking.
Is your refrigerator running?
Yes, it's running just fine. Is this Putin?
How did you know?
Because you are the only one who would make a silly prank call to me.
Ha! Fine, I will try again.
Let's see what...
Greeting Ukrainian president. I am calling to inform you that your country is now under my control.
Putin, is that you?
How did you know?
Because you are always trying to sound like something different, but your voice is as distinctive as the Kremlin.
Fine, I surrender. You are too smart for me.
Anytime, Putin.
Puppet regime, where even the Russian president can't win at prank calling the Ukrainian president.
So, am I fired?
Puppet regime.
You know, some things never change. Death, taxes, Russian imperialism, or iPhone autocorrecting to duck instead of... But anyway, some things do change. GZERO Media's daily newsletter is now called GZERO Daily. It's a great read every ducking day. Subscribe at link below.